The chocolate experiment. The problem. Nursing students are under immense, crazy amounts of stress. They are likely, well, they are students. They likely hold jobs, have families, friends, full plates, basically. And in this case, nurses need to learn how to manage this stress. And this is the chocolate experiment. Chocolate is said to be soothing for some people and can help reduce stress. But which chocolate is better? Is it chocolate A, Hershey's, or chocolate B, Dove? The purpose of this study is to identify which chocolate tastes better and the preferred and which is the preferred preference. Is it chocolate A or chocolate B? This study will help to understand preferences between the two, their differences, and may offer recommendations on which to choose in the future. This is both a quantitative and qualitative study. The research questions for this experiment are quantitative. Among RN to BS nursing students, which chocolate is preferred? Chocolate A or chocolate B? Qualitative question. What is the lived experience among RN to BS students? Chocolate A or chocolate B? The framework for this is stress theory and the cost. There's no specific cost as the participants are not paid, but it does cost the participant a couple dollars because they do have to buy the chocolate bars themselves, which are approximately $1 to $2 each. The variables. The independent variable in the quantitative method of study is the chocolate. There are two chocolates being tested, which is the Hershey's and the Dove. The dependent variable in the quantitative method of study is the perceptions measured. The variables of interest in the qualitative method of study include perceptions of the participants who experience chocolate A and chocolate B. Demographic results. There was informed consent, it was explained and achieved, and the consent form was signed. Demographic results include a 29-year-old female who is not allergic to chocolate that does not contain nuts. The initial questions when the study was first given, am I hungry? The person agrees. The person strongly agrees. Am I concerned about cholesterol consumption and avoid cholesterol in foods? The person disagrees. I avoid unhealthy food? Disagree. I love chocolate? Strongly agree. I hate chocolate? Strongly disagree. I love Hershey's brand chocolate and I love Dove brand chocolate are both neutral. For the quantitative results, it seems that this person has the same results for both chocolate A and chocolate B. Texture is good for both. Moistness is good for both. Is excellent for both. Flavor is excellent for both. Appearance is neutral. And overall rating is good for both. Qualitative results. Describe or tell me about your experience eating and tasting chocolate A. Chocolate A tastes good. I instantly become happy as this was a childhood favorite of mine. Question 2, how does the experience of eating or tasting chocolate A feel to you? Eating chocolate A makes memories appear, memories of childhood and making s'mores by a campfire. It just makes me feel good, happy, and reminisce. Qualitative results about chocolate B. This chocolate tastes different than the first, but it is still delicious. It melts in my mouth. And chocolate B has a slightly different taste, but is nice and refreshing. This chocolate is a bit smaller than chocolate A. This chocolate doesn't make me think of childhood memories, but if it was around, I'd eat it.